Okay, so this is lab 1 for question documents. And I already went ahead and took out everything that I needed. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to, I'm going to go ahead and forge all the names and then show you afterwards. But we're supposed to forge Ellis H. Roberts, John Burke, and Charles Francis Adams on this paper right here. And then I'm going to forge it right here, which is going to be terrible because I am no good at cursive at all, but we're going to try it out. Someone could definitely tell this was forgery because this is not going to look anything like the exemplars. Okay, so the first one is going to be Ellis
Ashley might be able to identify the unsub, which means she could be at risk too.
I know. You know, send me that broken cell phone. I may be able to pull data from the device itself.
In the meantime, Ford Delphina's calls to us. If she tries, we'll be able to talk to her.
Smart thinking, Sensei. Right?
Ooh, this is terrible.
Delphina put up a struggle, but there was nothing you can do. Killer had all the leverage.
Can you tell what kind of garage was used?
Varies. First was fishing line, then picture wire. Now some kind of cable.
All common household items.
I'd say he's definitely making the weapons himself.
From the looks of it, learning quickly which wire was stronger than the last.
There's something else. He's cut a lab through for every victim.
Something tells me it's more than an act of depersonalization. He wants to remember these men. What he did to them.
Okay, so this is Ellis H. Roberts. Exemplar forgery. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be being honest. This John Burke one though, I don't know about that. Bless me. Yeah, that J's not cutting it.
Good for us, I'm still dead. The needs of many, my friend. I'm glad about it. You can't have from the socks ain't just a sacrifice. I'm sure you know the sacrifice is gonna be.
Okay, that's the John Burke, which is terrible. Okay, and then the next one is Charles Francis Adams, which is gonna be terrible also.
Friend called me. Who's down the street?
What kind of mission involves killing a teenager?
Normally, I would say this points to a devolution in the unsub psyche. This project is on home. It's the first time he's been inside. Why?
I've been canvassing the area pretty heavily. Maybe he's adapting to increased police activity.
He's a low spectrum killing his home. It feels like the unsub leader would be alone.
So he's not just stalking Jake at this point.
As well as all his other victims. He can't be having more ones.
Maybe he's been planning this longer than we thought.
The time between kills is getting shorter.
Charles Francis Adams. That does not look like that. Okay, so the next step that we're going to do is we're going to take our tracing paper and we're going to put it on top of the paper we just forged with the exemplars. And for this one, I only had one paper clip and I couldn't find one, so I'm just going to use one paper clip. You know, it says two. I'm just going to use one, and I'm going to put it on the side where the exemplars are, because that's where we have to make the dots.
I just have one more question. Do you think you can handle it?
So, since we don't have to do it on the other side, I don't think I necessarily need it. One should probably be fine. It's not going to move. Okay, so for exemplar 1, well, all the exemplars, what we're going to have to do is we're supposed to put a dot on the highest points and then a dot on the lowest points of the name. So,
Yeah, he knew him. I could see it on his face. Didn't say who it was.
Just because you recognize someone doesn't necessarily mean you know them. I mean, it's
which seems fairly easy a little bit. And the lowest points. I have no idea if I'm doing this right, but guess what?
Hey, did you know?
We're gonna do it.
Have you ever been shot?
Why do you
Just stuff that you will have, so. Did it hurt a lot when Jake died?
Okay, I'm on the
worry about that? Jake wasn't shy.
second one now. Okay, done with the second one. And now I want to throw, oh, I know I need that other paper clip, but I just fixed it, so we're okay.
The answer we're looking for is a dangerous voyeur who feeds off the thrill of knowing his victims can't see him. Typically, voyeurs are non-violent and content to remain bystanders. This one's different. He's on a mission that includes taking action. And in that mission, he didn't hesitate to kill a teenage boy. Anyone who stands between him and his goal is at risk.
We believe he's documenting his work. He's taking pictures and collects personal connections to his victims. Wallets and
Okay, that paper clip needs to be moved down. We'll take that. Okay, so now we're doing, I don't know if you can see the dots. Probably I'll show you right side. There's the dots. Okay, so now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our ruler, and with the ruler, we're basically just going to connect them. So, like make lines. So, what we're going to do is take this ruler. I'm going to connect the top ones first, or what I considered as the top ones.
position where he can observe others unnoticed. So we should look at service workers.
Like I'm like back in class trying to trace. Not fun. They like tracing then, don't like tracing now.
Against the more erratic and dangerous he'll become.
Hey Nick, I was wondering if I could take a look at your guest log. A friend of mine came over to and I lost his contact information. So we might have it.
Let's take a look. What was his name?
Scott. Scott Delfino.
Scott. I'm not seeing it. Sure it's his name? Oh, you know what? I saw him come back yesterday. Looks like the old G5. In the box, the stars have it. Tap on the night guide. I'm pretty sure he grabbed those waiting to see this in his rounds.
Is there any chance I could take a look right now? Please.
I'm kind of late, but tell you what. Get a stand
I'm on the second name now. I want to show you everything after it's finished. If you hear a noise, it's probably my grandma. She's probably gonna come in here and I'm probably gonna do a crazy look, so. It actually looks pretty cool. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This video is getting long, but oh well. I guess it doesn't really matter if the video's long, as long as the work's done. Okay, so last name. For some reason, this last name is like crazy hard. And it doesn't even look right. So, there's that. Probably have something to do with my lab questions. Okay, all done. So these are what the finishing touches look like. And that's after the roller. So that's it for lab 1.